All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot chocolate milk, okay? How to make hot chocolate milk. The first thing you're going to need is chocolate. Right here I have Hershey's syrup, genuine chocolate flavor, fat-free, okay? I'm on a diet, trying to be healthier. You're going to need milk. Right here I have organic silk soy milk. It's the original nutrition powerhouse. And you're going to need a spoon. All right here I have a tablespoon, but I'm going to put it on the stove. And I'm going to get started. So first thing I'm going to do is add in my milk, okay? I usually like to pour my milk 3/4 of the way up, but sometimes I go a little bit less or a little bit more. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave until it's hot. All right, after the milk is hot, be careful because the hot milk will be hot. All right, you're gonna put it back right here. And then I'm going to take my chocolate and my spoon, and I'm going to put 1 or 2 tablespoons of chocolate into the hot milk, and then you're gonna stir. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see all of this. And you're just gonna keep on stirring, and as you stir the chocolate, it will become darker as the chocolate dissolves within the milk. And before long, the milk will be chocolatey. And that's how you make hot chocolate. Let me know if you have any questions.